Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer the question, can you put a chimenea on a wood deck? How about a composite deck? The answer is the same for both. Yes, you can, but don't place it directly on the deck. Instead, here are a few precautions. First, make sure you find an area away from the house, around 10 feet. But the further away, the better. You will also want to move other items such as plants, furniture, grills, etc., or any and all combustibles about 10 feet. Prep your area by cleaning all debris. Next, you'll want to place the base for your chimenea. This can consist of non-flammable materials like bricks, stones, or concrete, or even a fireproof mat like this one from Flame Shield Warrior. It can be used indoors or outdoors and withstands temperatures up to 1832 degrees Fahrenheit. When purchasing a fireproof mat, note that they come in many shapes and sizes. The one shown is by Fireproof Pros and will also take up to 1832 degrees. Make sure when you're choosing one, you choose a size where your chimenea will fit comfortably with room on all sides in case charcoal falls or embers fly. This propane chimenea by Cuisinart will not burn as hot as charcoal or gas, so if you're concerned about safety, you may want to invest in propane. Even with propane, make sure you place it on a fireproof mat or area. Other fire safety measures you should take when placing a chimenea on your deck is to first maintain your chimenea often by checking for any wear and tear or rust on the metal or pottery. Second, if you're using wood or charcoal like this one from BALI Outdoors, make sure to clean the ashes regularly. Third, do not ever leave the fire unattended. When using a chimenea or any fire pit, check with your homeowners association for regulations. We at Backyard University believe that following these guidelines will ensure a safe, memory-filled backyard experience. If you have any other backyard concerns or questions, click the link below to some of our other videos, or check out our website at backyarduniversity.org for the full article on chimeneas. We've also supplied links to mentioned products. And don't forget to like and subscribe.